Good morning, MW family. This is after long that I'm coming on Facebook Live because we have been busy for Instagram Live all this while and had some amazing mompreneurs who made sure to offer some different and unique products and coupons. The sale was going on. So yes, we are really happy that through this pandemic, when we met these mompreneurs and they came across to MW, they offered beautiful things to us in the affordable materials, affordable prices. I'm sorry. So the products were super easy, and we really felt like to say thanks to them. So we also organized Diwali sale, so which went fabulous, and super happy to see that you all connect with Mommy's World for You and Me happily. And when you DM me, when you send me messages, makes me super happy. Indeed, it's not easy to handle, and it's not okay to say that we do not appreciate everyone, because there are times that I'm not able to reply to few, but end of the day I make sure that I reply to most of you. Stay connected. I stay connected with most of the moms who message me, and very happy to share that last week we have also launched a WhatsApp group for mompreneurs, where they can follow the same guidelines and they can post their business products, their profiles on the way they keep on posting on Mommy's World for You and Me on Wednesdays and Thursdays. The guidelines will remain same, because this was long due and a platform where a mom can talk about business, where a mom can talk about her journey, and where they will share all hurdles how they have come across. Let's talk about today. Today we have founder of Pep Play, Minali Agarwal. I'll be inviting her soon in this video. Before that, I want to share with you guys that she has sent me few products, and few I purchased. Why? Because she has products for all age groups, for the kids who love being creative, who create so many things all alone when the moms are busy. And it's really pleasant to see that any mom in this pandemic, when launching something and bringing it to us, sharing that I made it when things were really calm, the market was not moving, the things were not happening, and my child was getting bored, and really thought of come up with a startup. So this Pep Play is a startup by Minali Agarwal, and I have some beautiful products to show you. She will also going to show some products. This is also an appreciation Facebook Live for all the mompreneurs, the efforts you put in. I really appreciate and really think that you all can make a huge difference in others' lives. Why? Because every product, everything you show is equally important to someone in the family. If not the child, maybe for the moms, maybe for the dads, maybe for the grandparents, because I have seen this thing that you guys have unique things in your hand. So indeed, it's a blessing to have you all around. Now let's talk about some products which I have with me. Pep Play is really beautiful. So yes, my child is 6 years old, and my brother's daughter. So they just did this coloring. I hope you all can see this. This is a velvet card. This is all what the designs you see as made on sheet. It's a blank sheet behind, and it's a velvet card. The kids have to color in this with the sketch pen. Of course, these guys, my children use crayons, so this is not completed, and this is done by a 4-year-old. So the creativity, all you can see, This really looks beautiful. When you are busy in the kitchen, in the work, because most of the people are working from home still, their kids can use these sheets and can stay engaged for long. When she sent me this, honestly, my son Roshansh was behind me to open it, so I took almost 2 to 3 days to open it. So this came in a packet like this, out of where I had 5 sheets. So I hope about the sheets, how many you get, you can talk to her. She will be joining us live. Also, this step by step is a drawing book. This is a venture. This is a important thing which she thought of adding in the her collection. This, when you see that every sheet has a picture, can you see this? And here they get the idea how they have to draw step by step. See, a basic detail of making every animal. This is the animal given here, and this is the start, how they have to go step by step to first, second. So equally on every page you will find this, right? I guess it's the first time I'm showing kids things to you, because this is really nice. Pepplay have a website, there you can see lots of products, and I'll be sharing the products which I have in my hand. So these are the scratch cards. Now scratch cards, I have opened this also. You get a scratch pan in this. So when your child is really, in a mood to be something unique, creative, you can give this to your child. This will bring a good change in their mood, because these are creative things. When we ask them to continuously drawing, kids generally get bored. So when you give them this interesting things, they are happy. This is mosaic painting. Each product Minali has done with superb creativity. These are the things, these are the things you will get inside the box. Now what is mosaic painting? You will get, I'll just show you, just a second. So you will get different kind of things in this. Kids have to use these products and stick on. There are lots of other things what I feel that maybe we will not be able to show you. The most important thing what I really liked, and few of my friends liked when we posted about Pepplay, is this. I hope you all can see this. This is washable crayons, and I know that most of us are not aware about the washable crayons. You can see it's still packed. I have not opened it because I have 2 kids at home, my brother's daughter and Rushansh. So they both want to open everything. So I'm going step by step with them, giving them things so that they can try one by one to one another. So these are the things I have, and apart from this, there is one activity mat. A creative product will make you happy, will make your child sit at one place, and will bring so much of happiness when they are doing it, because when this is completed you really feel content. बहुत मेहनत से किसी मॉम ने अगर कोई चीज़ बनाई है, so I'm very sure that even when I do something for my child, so other children will like it, so we really appreciate that. So all the things what I have showed you. So I will ask Minali now to show rest of the things what she has, and let's see what other beautiful products she can show to us. So I'm just taking Minali with me, and she will show you more products, and let us. I guess she is joining now. I've just invited her. You must be surprised to see how a mom can bring so many of varieties in this small period, because pandemic अभी जब चल रहा है, अभी ऑफ कोर्स इट्स नॉट दैट मच ऑफ अ स्ट्रिक्टनेस, हम लोग सब काफी अच्छी चीजें कर चुके हैं, मूव ऑन कर रहे हैं चीजों के साथ में. सो नाउ व्हेन वी नो कि हमारे पास बच्चों को एंगेज रखने के लिए इतनी सारी चीजें हैं, वी रियली फील अगर ये हमारे पास उस टाइम पर होती जब हमारे पास लॉकडाउन चल रहा था, उस लॉकडाउन में अगर ये हमारे पास सारी चीजें होती, इमेजिन बच्चे कितने खुश होते. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ थिंग. हाय मिनाली, फाइनली आई कैन सी यू.
Hi, Shalu. Thank you so much for such a wonderful introduction. You have been the inspiration to many and to me as well. The kind of motivation you have given me from the first day is exceptional. I would like to thank you from like deep from my heart. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Pleasure, Minali, because you know the products what I was talking about. I have still not opened few of the products. Oh God, I guess Minali got disconnected. She will be joining again. I can see her here. So let's wait for Minali because she is new for Facebook Live, and I want her to show all the products to you guys. She has actually put in a lot much effort to be here. I'll just take her again. I would request other members to not send me a joining request in the video because this exclusive live is for PepPlay. They have put in efforts and they have sent us these products where I can show you all the products also she can show. So yes, I'm waiting for her to join in again. So the not the only coloring part, the creativity, adding stickers, the stick-ons, the washable crayons. Not the, we have already had crayons and sketch mark, the sketch pens with us. तो जब ये सारी चीजों से बच्चे बोर होने लगे और अब कुछ नई चीज की बात आती है, so definitely PepPlay उसमें आता है. And okay, my voice is low. Am I clearly audible? Because I guess I've been talking very nicely in my right pitch. I think this is the best voice I can put in. Hi Minali, send the joining request again. I can see you in this. Yes. Minali has just sent you the request again. Accept that.
Hello. I'm sorry. I don't know. I was just.
That's okay. That's okay. I understand completely. No problem.
Okay. So.
मिनाली, अब आप बताइए पहले PepPlay कैसे और क्या आपको समझ में आया. आपने इस पेंडेमिक में एक स्टार्टअप लॉन्च किया और आप बहुत अच्छा चल रहे हैं. इंस्टाग्राम पे आपकी फैन फॉलोइंग बहुत अच्छी है, हमने देखा है. अब आप बताइए PepPlay का आपको दिमाग में कैसे आया.
So basically, I'm a engineer, software engineer, and I have 10 to 11 years of experience in Accenture. I was working
Okay.
with Accenture from my, like, after I pass out from college, I was with Accenture only. And then,
Okay.
of course, these ideas pop up when you have a baby with you and you want
Yes.
baby to be engaged in things when you are busy. And the first thing which clicked me was the velvet cards which you showed, because
Yeah.
something similar I had seen in Germany. I had went there for my trip, business trip, and I
Okay.
brought that for my daughter, and my daughter was so happy. She was so engaged, and I was like, why don't we have such things in India? Because
Hmm.
India people are very open to new things now. They want things so
Okay.
that their kids get engaged, and kids are happy to do new things. So
Hmm.
that way I discussed with my husband that this is one idea which I want to work on, and he was so supportive. Although it was pandemic year, and our family business was also not doing that well because of the pandemic thing. uh, and The main concern when you start the business is the funding. We will be able to invest so much, because in initial years the investment is the main thing. But he was very supportive, and then together I think the PepPlay was born. in May.
That is a brave decision, I must say, because pandemic में मिनाली जहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग अपनी hopes खो चुके हैं, अपनी job उनकी जा चुकी है, starting a business, that too with a thought that it will help to children. जब आपका बच्चा उसे देख के खुश है, because we know when our kids are happy, other kids will definitely be happy, and I am very sure that I can assure you that Rushansh is very happy to see the products. उनको रोज वो एक पैकेट खोलना है, doesn't matter कि पहले वाला finish हुआ है कि नहीं. So I can see the excitement in both the kids, 4 years and 6 years. So yes.
And actually, the problem is this: in pandemic, the kids got impacted the most because of this homeschooling. Usually kids used to go for 6 hours to school. So when they are coming to home, they don't have to, get engaged in more activities. But now after 1 hour of online schooling, as a working parents, we are so stressed that what should we give them so that they are independently doing something, because we can't take them to, play areas. We can't take them to malls. We can't take them to picnic. They are at home only. So that's the biggest challenge. And I think right now in India, since all the kids are homeschooling, I mean, they have to do themselves everything. We need to provide things where their development is more in terms of gross motor skills and in terms of, sensory skills and everything. The things that was being managed by the teachers, as a mother, we have to manage home also, we have to manage work also, and we have to manage the growth of our child also. So keeping all those things in mind, Pepley just came and we are happy. I mean, I'm really happy what I'm doing right now than what I was doing in Accenture. I mean, Accenture, my life was very good. I mean, the IT life. But right now I'm enjoying because from school time, I'm very much into the crafts and everything. So, bringing your passion, your hobbies into your career, it's a best combination because you never get bored. You never think, yaar, aaj Monday hai, aaj Tuesday ho gaya, ab kya kare? So every day when you're thinking about new ideas, let's do this. This is not there in India, or this is not there in the world. Let's do this. So that is exciting.
So I can say, sorry to cut you out, but I can say not only the children, Minari is also happy because every day you are getting something new. So eventually moms and dads both are happy. बच्चे भी एंगेज है और जो फाउंडर है वो भी खुश है अपनी नई नई चीजें लाने के साथ साथ, और ऑफ कोर्स आपके हस्बैंड तो खुश होंगे क्योंकि आप उसमें बिजी है. अब आप बिनाली, आपके पास जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं आप हम वो देखना चाहेंगे. जितने मेरे पास थे वो सब मैंने दिखाए हैं. What are the other things you have?
So first of all, the product that you have also shown, I want to talk about this one because this is the one which triggered Pepley. This is my product, which actually I want to show because this is the first made in India product, and we designed it everything. I mean, this is designed by a person in US who is eventually my friend only. So it's done by Indian only. So, and the speciality of this product is it's on velvet, so that a child, when they are learning to color, it doesn't go out. Even if it is going out, the results are so good that a kid finally says that, okay, Mama, can you keep this in my room? So I'll show you some things which are done by my 4.5 years old daughter. So I think you have given crayons, but sketch pens and markers work best. So you see, these are simple drawings, and these comes out so well that finally she's like, Mama, please, can you put these in my room? So these cards are actually like frames that you can put in the room for decoration after these are done. And since there are two themes, one ocean, one wild, so according to the theme, you can decorate the room of your kid. That is one aspect. And the second one is the planner that we were discussing, like you were showing. This activity planner is actually a planner which is useful for the homeschooling, basically, or not even homeschooling, when the school will start also, like for the parents and child relationship. Here is a section for name. Here there's a section to make them learn the calendar. Here they can learn what one new thing you learned today. So that ways they can, mother and a child can connect together to understand that what is going on. So this is a reward chart where we can jot down all the things which we want our child to do in daily basis.
Right.
And here they can get a smiley or tick or whatever. And we can mark that if you're getting 20, stars in a week, you will get this,
Right.
a reward kind of thing. So the reward system works very well with kids. So usually teachers
Right.
take care of this thing in school, but now since we are the school, I mean, we are doing it, this actually gives a great impact. I am doing it with my 4 years old daughter, where I want her to, say mantra every day, talk to her grandparents every day. We are here. My parents are in different city. My husband's parents are in different city. So those concepts where we want our child to get involved, they have to do puzzles and, so this is taken care with this activity chart. And the washable crayons, which everybody is talking, this is the crayon. The one you were showing, that is the washable chalk. And this is the crayon.
Yeah, right.
This I want to show because everybody is interested. So this is a crayon. Okay. This
Yeah.
is a capped crayon, and this is completely washable, non-toxic, and they can even use in the hand. So this is like a body painting also. A kid, if doing it on the hand, they can do it on the hand, and if they will rub it now, even with the water or hands, it will just wipe off.
Right. Yeah, this is nice actually, because we all use the sketch pens, and there are marks for almost 2 to 3 days unless we start rubbing their skin.
Yeah, and this can go on walls also. So sometimes kids have the habit on doing on walls, and we are worried that the walls will go, So these can be
Not sometimes सब बच्चे करते हैं, दीवारें गंदी पूरी कर देते हैं, मतलब I can see here also.
So we have, and the best part of this crayon is, if you add little water in this, it becomes a pastel color. And if you add more water, like if you're doing it on paper, scribble it on paper, and then use water and the brush, these becomes the watercolors. So these are clean, and these are little like lipstick, opening and closing. So the gross motor skills of kid is used when they're, doing this round and then closing it down. So, and closing the cap again takes the effort. So
just a second, Minali, you were talking about some painting. You did it with this?
Which one? Sorry.
The painting you were saying your Arya has done, your child has done. The painting you were saying she has done.
Yeah. But okay, I have just not brought that painting.
That's not handy. Okay, but you have done with this.
Yeah, I have done something with this.
Okay.
Okay, and a very different product which I have never seen. I mean, I have seen for the first time is the fossil excavation kit. So this is a STEM project, which in this kit there's a block, and inside the block the fossils, these bones will come separately. So a child has to dig it. They have to use a hammer and dig it and find each and every bone, and they have to assemble it to make a fossil. So this is an excellent STEM project, and they get to know how to excavate the fossils and the experience of the paleontologist and everything. So this is something which I have never seen in India before. So
this is nice. This is, I guess you were talking that this is one of the products my child will love. You were talking
yeah. This is one product. And I mean, it's not that it's only for boys or girls, because it is dinosaur boys. My 4-year-old, she was like, one day she opened it and she didn't stop until she was able to find each and every, bone out of it. So kids close to 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours, they are non-stop doing it. So parents who are looking for activities where they just need a break from their children, because that's the truth, where all mothers say, I need some break, do something, go from here. For them, these activities are really good. And obviously there's some, the knowledge, they are gaining the method, how to do it, and they are learning new words. Now, when this dinosaur is coming out, we are telling them this is T-Rex and what is T-Rex. Yeah. So a kind of conversation just initiates when we do such activities.
How many are these in one box? How many are these?
One. So it's a gypsum block. In that block, you have to dig, and there are like 10 bone pieces will come. They have to assemble
Okay.
it to be, it becomes a puzzle kind of thing. And this can be used
Acha.
for the room decoration or something, or they can वापस reassemble it or assemble it. It's a puzzle kind of thing.
Acha. And what is the age starting for this age group?
Ideally, it is 6 plus 5 plus, but 4 years also can do it. So
Or you can do it,
it's
yeah.
very simple. Yeah. So this is
Today
one
kids are
product
very
which
smart.
I
I'm very
really
sure
want to
if
talk
your child can do, 4 year can do, then of course other kids who are in the age of 4 or 5 can easily do it.
Yeah, they can do
Kids
it.
are very
But
smart.
for 4 years, basically, I need to sit with her, and for 6 years, I think they will do independently.
Yes.
So even a 13-year-old, I have like one of my friend who is a customer also. She bought it for a 13-year-old teenager, and he was so happy. And he has a channel on YouTube, and he has bloated. Like he was so happy. He messaged me, "Thank you, Auntie, for giving such a wonderful, excavation kit." So this is basically for teenagers as well. It's all age. Yeah. This is one product which I really want to talk about. I have pink and the blue color in this. So we have, finger paints of like set of 6 and 7 and 10 and these. And finger paints is something which is actually, not available in India. The good quality finger paints, which are non-toxic and washable. And these finger paints is something we can introduce child as good as like 18 months because it
Okay.
gives the sensory play, the messy play. The child is not being judged. He can do anything. So usually this is the first thing which parents introduce to their child when they are coming to colors. So in this pack, there is this, I'm just unboxing this for all the mothers because it's very good. There are these paints, finger paints. These are very silky. It's like a cream. So
Right.
this has these 6 finger paints, sorry.
Okay. So we have to add water in it while
No,
painting.
no, no. Finger paints are like you have to
Acha,
just
no.
take it in a finger and a child do it.
Okay. Okay.
And there are these stamps which a child can put on the finger paint and then just tap, 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 tap. So
Right.
there are like 6 stamps and 2 stamp holder.
Okay.
Okay.
And how many paint colors are there?
There are 6 in this kit. And
Okay.
then there's this palette. Then
Okay.
there is a child-friendly scissor, which is the paper scissor, not the sharp one. So they can,
Okay.
learn how to cut. And there's a booklet to show them, how they can do the finger paintings,
Yeah.
what designs they can do. Like plain finger painting, and then they can use a scissor to randomly cut it and then paste it. So there's a glue also with it. There's a glue. And
Right.
there are these cards which they can make for their friends, parents, whatever, like this. So it's a complete kit, and usually kids really enjoy it, making the cards and everything. So this is one thing. And finger paints, we have like 6 ka pack, 7 ka pack, 10 ka pack also.
Acha.
So who don't want to buy this entire kit, they can buy the separate boxes like this,
Acha.
something like this.
Then this is very nice because everybody may not be okay. These are the small boxes.
Yeah, so this is the
Right.
10 ka box, the bigger one, which has 10 colors.
Yeah. So you have all this uploaded on your website?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can see
it
it.
is there on website. Our website, yeah, before we got the product, our website got updated.
Acha. Okay.
Yeah, so
And this age group, you suggest any age group for this finger paint?
so finger paint starts from the age of like 18 months to
Acha.
like 8 to 10 years, because the kids who do serious painting where they are logically putting the fingers to make a sun or making flowers and the camel or kind of figures, so that is done by older kids. 7+ kids can do a proper painting using the finger paints, and below 5 years they are doing messy play. They are just putting the hands and imprinting the hands and everything like that.
Okay, so you have covered all your products?
So I have 44 products. So it is practically not possible to cover it. So, so if parents who have seen the website and they want to know about any products, I have every product on my table right now. So if anybody wants to know about any product, I can tell. Otherwise, I can show more products or whatever. I don't know. I mean, there's this map. I can just show this one. This is done by my daughter. So already it is scribbled. This is a world map, and it is very excellent thing because a child can color as well as learn. So it's a very big map. You know, I don't know if I can show you the entire map also because it's too big. Can you see?
That's a huge one.
Yeah, it's a huge one where a child can learn about the world, continents, the oceans, the sea life, the directions. There's so much to learn in this, and I think a child will take around a month to complete the coloring. You have to just put this on the wall, and they will, whatever continent you are discussing, which ocean you are saying, you can just.
This is very interesting. This makes me feel that I should have a ये pandemic में होना चाहिए था हमारे पास में.
अभी pandemic खत्म नहीं हुआ है.
वही मैं बोल रही हूँ. Because I know you have 44 products Minali, because बच्चों को तो जितना दिया जाए कम है, लेकिन एज अ मदर जब मैं देख रही हूँ आपकी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स, तो एक के बाद एक चीज लग रहा है कि हाँ बहुत अच्छी है. दो इफ यू वांट मी टू गिव सम प्रायोरिटी ऑन योर प्रोडक्ट, देन आई वुड से आपने अभी जो मुझे मैप दिखाया है वो, प्लस आपके वॉशेबल क्रेयॉन और चॉक जो है, फिंगर पेंट, आई लव्ड इट सो मच राइट नाउ. आई जस्ट सॉ इट बिकॉज़ मेरे पास वो नहीं है, so I just saw it. Beautiful.
These are the cards which you are showing now, Mosaic. These are the completed cards
Yes.
showing to the parents.
Yes.
Because you have
That mosaic painting, yeah.
Yeah. So the speciality of these cards are there's the alphabet written. So the child has to just follow the alphabet. If the alphabet is green, they have to just put the green color. If alphabet is A, they have to put this color. So even like 4 years, 3 years children who know alphabet, they love to do this because this is something which parents don't have to tell them. But parents will tell them that okay, for A you have to put green, for B you have to put blue or something like that.
Yeah.
And
they will learn also, Minali. A, B, C, D, the kids who are in the learning stage.
Yeah.
With this pattern, they will learn also. So just a second, guys. The product which Minali is showing has this one. Is it the same one, Minali?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so you all can check it out on the website. This is something really beautiful. I'm going to open it now because अब तक open नहीं किया है.
And but last thing, I think I'll show this because this is also very interesting. This is a chalk book. So basically, the traditional chalk slate has been converted into a book, which you can carry in the bag. You can go when you are going to like some picnic or something. You can take along, and a child can. And there's this pretty stand also, so the hands not getting dirty with the normal chalks. And it works very well where like I'm just writing and showing. You can just tell your child to write A, B, C when you're sitting somewhere. Okay, chalo, write A, yeah, write the side words, and they can do creativity on this also. And this is something which I have seen many parents are liking it. Like
yes.
Now,
so is this easily can be erased? This easily can be erased?
Yes. So I have this wet towel with me just to show you. So this is after.
Achha, okay. Right.
See.
Yes. Very nice. And I guess again something very exciting for toddlers से ही अगर हम पकड़ के शुरू करते हैं, वो लोग इसको सारा दिन लेकर बैठे. मिनाली, और कितना सारा खजाना है आपके पास?
अभी और भी है. अभी मतलब if I will go on, I think I can go on for another 1 hour.
मुझे लगता है शायद लाइव के लिए टाइम कम पड़ जाएगा.
हाँ, exactly. There are many more products, and few products are such that now actually I want to tell parents that this is something because as a mother, like, shall I show one more product?
Yeah, please.
So this is a flash sticker, or commonly called as foil painting basically. for a child. These are no glue activities where a child don't have to use a glue and the craft is happening. So the most, why I am as a mother impressed with this activity, because it's a storytelling activity where you are telling a story, and this is a very very common story, the ugly duckling. एक स्टोरी थी ना जिसमें डक बहुत अगली पैदा होती है एंड देन फाइनली वो बड़ी होके स्वान बन जाती है. So this is that story. And here, under each card, the story is written. So when your child is doing that story, you can actually read that story to him. And in this activity, basically there's these cards. Okay?
Acha.
And in this card, you have to pull out the white, white sticker using the stylus given in. I'm just showing like this. There's a stylus to remove the white portion. So this way you just remove the white portion, and there are these silver foils of different color. I think there must be like 20-25 color foils like this, and you have to just keep it on this like this. A child has to just press it, and pull it. It gets transferred.
Oh, right.
So I'll show you the complete one so that it's easy for you to understand how it is.
Your, I guess, daughter has done this also?
Yeah, she's my model basically, She's doing everything for me. I'm making videos with her for parents to see the, So this, the shiny parts are the paper which a child can do it. And this is one activity which childs do independently. You actually don't have to sit with him. You have to just tell your child that this is the way they have to do it. She will just pick that up and do it by her own self. Mama, can I do that? I go, okay, go. Achhi baat hai, go. So that is how these activities are.
Go get busy, leave me, let me do my work, and you get busy in this thing.
No, so when your child is saying, I don't want TV, I want the activity kits, it's a victory. I think, right now, with screen time increasing due to school, and they don't consider school as screen time. They need their TV time. And leaving the TV, if they're asking, okay, I need to do that craft activity, can I do it? You feel proud. Oh, I have bought something which a child is doing. So, that is
Minali, now after seeing all your products, there is just one thing I guess I want, and all the viewers who are keep coming in, leaving and joining again just to check out. Do we get some discounts?
Yeah, the discounts. Obviously, we'll get discounts for the special MW group. So we are planning to give MW group a flat 15% off. And
flat 15%, that is okay. That's not up to this time. It's flat 15%.
Yeah, but I think 15% where minimum you have to buy for 1,000 rupees.
Achha, okay.
So at the like most of the products, if you, even if you're buying 2 products, it will go 1,000. And one thing is there on our website, shipping is free above 1,000. So mostly customers buy above 1,000 only to get the free shipping.
Okay, so eventually, guys, you get a flat 15% discount on the purchase if it is going above 1,000 rupees, and shipping is free. And do we have any coupon code, Minali, for that?
Yeah, I'll share it with you.
Yes, you share it with me so that I'll put it in the description.
Yeah.
And these guys can use it for their purchase.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so that's nice to have you, and thank you for the discount for the community. My MW family would really like to purchase things. Most of them are writing that they are happy with the products and they want to buy for themselves later for the kids. So because बहुत सारे talented लोग हैं हमारे यहाँ पे जिनकी paintings और art doodle मैंने सब देखा हुआ है. So these guys are saying
one product which I have not shown. I'm really sorry.
So you just recall when I said doodle.
I don't have this open, but if you're on, like, if you can go and see in my Facebook page as well as Instagram page, the videos are there. This is the marble painting kit. and the results are fabulous. They here it's like on the water you have to put the colors. The colors keep on floating, and on the floating colors you have to put the paper, and all the colors, the marbling print just come on the paper. It's one
Okay,
of
okay,
the
okay. I
best
got
thing
it.
I have. I really vouch for this because the results are astounding.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take few pictures, Minali, from the post. If you have posted on your Facebook page, I'll put in the comments
Yeah,
so
sure.
that these guys
I'll do
can
that.
see. Yeah,
I'll do that.
yeah, do that. All right. So wonderful session, Minali, and good to see your products. I wish Pepplay all the best,
Thank you
and
so
congratulations for achieving this milestone and coming out as a winner in this pandemic. That is something really nice.
Thank you so much. Your wishes are so important. I mean, everybody's
Yes, it's
wishes.
always there. It's always there. MW will always support the people who really need it and admire us. Thanks for all the discount coupons, and thanks guys for joining in. Thanks, Manali. It was a good
Thank you,
session with you.
Sima.
I'll connect you
Thank
once again.
you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Take care. Bye bye. Guys, super products, and मैं आप लोग से वैसे ही नहीं बोलूंगी कि मैं प्लेस करूंगी. I am definitely going to place at least that finger painting, because yes, my son also loves painting, and if given a freedom with the finger paint, also with the washable sketch pens which he showed, because he's fond of sketch pens and I don't give him very often because very obvious, he keeps on rubbing on his legs and colorful legs and colorful walls. आई गेस ये हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है कि हम लोग इसे इजीली क्लीन कर सकते हैं. और वॉशेबल चॉक्स मेरे पास ऑलरेडी हैं ही, विच आई एम गोइंग टू ओपन इट इन जस्ट नेक्स्ट 2-3 days. But yes, these are wonderful products. I vouch on these products because I have in my hand. So you guys can trust me on that note. Go on the Pepley website. The coupon code I'm going to share in a while when I edit the description, because this is only for MW family, and that's the reason we are not talking about the coupon code in the video. So you do come back when the video is uploaded and check the discount coupon. Go for this flat 50% exclusively for us, which Minali has given. Do not miss it. And again, I see that you are not audible. One more thing I want to tell you guys, that today is Wednesday. In our new launch, we have I don't know why can't I hear you. I'm sorry, why you guys cannot hear me. I've not done anything, which changed my voice. Am I audible now? Can somebody just confirm me? Am I audible now? Is it okay? Yes, thank you. Thank you for the confirmation. Okay, so I was saying that our another launch, Mompreneurs WhatsApp group, is open for Wednesdays and Thursdays. And this video will be available on our YouTube channel. This Friday, we are coming with the last episode of Instagram Live series. Do join in our Instagram channel. And then December Delights, like every year. This will be the 5th year with December Delights. I'm super excited because now everything is opening up and moms have got something really unique and beautiful for all of us. So I'll catch you once again through Instagram Live, and see you guys. You take care. Stay connected. Do shop from Pepplay and use the promo code, which I'm going to put it in the description in a while. Till then, you take care. Stay connected. Happy parenting. Bye bye.